And welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Barbie and thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more crystal content. Okay guys, so for today's video we have another Supplier crystal haul, and I am so excited because I got some really awesome high quality pieces and some new shapes that I have never carried before in my Etsy shop. So I am really excited to show you everything that I got. So if you guys want to see what's in this week's Supplier haul, stay tuned and let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so we have another Supplier haul this week, and for those of you who are on my Patreon, you get early access to all the crystals that I'm going to be showing today. And you guys, this tier to get early access to the crystals that I'm showing today is only $3 a month. It allows you early access to all of these crystal babies. So let's jump into it. Let me start showing you some of the crystals that I got for this week's Supplier haul. So let's start with some flower agate. Now flower agate is one of my favorite crystals. I always try to have it in my shop, so I made sure to get some awesome flower agate pieces for this week's Supplier haul. So the first piece I have is this gorgeous flower agate sphere, and it has a big druzy cave, and I have a bunch of flower agate that I will be listing, so keep an eye out for that. But let me show you this baby up close. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then that giant druzy cave is absolutely stunning. I love the banding and all of these circular orbs in formation. I think that's what makes flower agate so pretty. And this one has some really good flower on it. So absolutely gorgeous, super translucent, really beautiful piece. And the next flower agate piece I have is a gorgeous flame. I love flames, especially in flower agate. I think the flower agate flames are just really gorgeous. So let me show you guys this one up close. This one's really special because it has some druze on it, and who doesn't love some druze? But let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Okay, look at that sparkle. There's a little bit of druzy right there, and just really gorgeous patterning. I absolutely love this one. And this one has a little bit of pink and purple and tons of flower. There's a big druzy pocket on here. I believe it's right over here, if you guys can see that. So pretty. I love flower agate flames. I just think it's really gorgeous shape, and then the little hits of red right there. Really gorgeous piece. And we have another gorgeous flower agate piece, and it is in one of my favorite shapes, which is a skull. I love skulls, and I love flower agate skulls. I have one in my personal collection that I absolutely adore, but I was able to get some for my Etsy shop. So let me show you this gorgeous flower agate skull. So this is actually a pretty big skull. This is bigger than what I typically carry. Usually I carry the 2-inch skulls, but this one is a little bit bigger. So let me show you guys what this beauty looks like up close. There's lots of super dark patterning around this baby, but really, really gorgeous. I love the little red lines going through, and all of the flower is truly on the top of the skull, and then around the back there's some gorgeous flower. And this is natural right here, little natural cave. Just a really beautiful carving, super translucent. So the next thing I'm going to show you is some really gorgeous moss agate. Now I have this one supplier who supplies the most gorgeous moss agate, and they had it in a new shape, which is a cube. And I know crystal cubes have been popping up and I've wanted to have them for my shop. So I have some moss agate cubes and they are so cool, you guys. So let me show you one of the moss agate cubes that I have. So here is this moss agate cube, and it stands on the side, so it stands in a really cool manner. But let me show you the patterning up close because this one is really, really beautiful. Okay, so look at how gorgeous that is. There is the little cutout, so it stands on the base like that, but lots of just little natural bugs on the surface, and just a really, really beautiful moss. I love the moss agate with the white. I just think it looks so pretty. So really, really cool. I love cubes. I think that's so cool, the crystal cubes. And another thing I ended up getting for my shop is a bunch of petrified wood slabs, and my god, they are so gorgeous and colorful. So let me show you what one of those petrified wood slabs looks like, because it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is what the petrified wood looks like, and I will show you up close because this is not doing it justice, but you can just see how colorful they are from back here. So let me show you up close so you guys can really see the surface of this, because it is so beautiful. Okay, look at all of that color. I'm gonna try to move really slowly, but look at that. It's so beautiful, and I just love all of the coloring. There's some crystallization here, and there's also some druzy. So this is a pretty big slab, but really, really beautiful. And then on the back, it's a little bit of the rough stone and some polishing. But look at those little agate lines. Just a really, really super stunning piece. So another super awesome thing I was able to get from my supplier are some super cool fire quartz freeforms. And fire quartz is so gorgeous, and these ones have a ton of rainbow, and I'm so excited to show you. I'm going to show you two versions of the ones that I have. So this is the first fire quartz, and I don't know if you can see that little flash, so let me show you guys what it looks like up close, but these are so gorgeous. Okay, so these are super gemmy. Look at the flash right there. And I think these both are packed with rainbows. I'll show you the other one too. But, oh yeah, you can see the rainbows right there. It is super, super gorgeous. Really, really gemmy. And these are polished so nicely. And then just a lot of really gorgeous, look at that. Woo! Really gorgeous gemmy crystals. And here is the next fire quartz freeform, and it is equally as gorgeous, so let me show you this one up close. Look at that. Woo! Oh my gosh, that is so gemmy. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Really, really gorgeous. And there's that rainbow right there. But yeah, this one is super sparkly. So really woo! Look at that turn. And I was able to get some more fluorite. I absolutely love fluorite, and I got some different shapes. So let me show you some of the fluorite that I picked up because it's super gorgeous. I got one of these green blue spheres, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let me show you guys what this one looks like up close. one has, ooh, oh my gosh, you guys see that rainbow? Holy moly. That's insane. That's a huge rainbow for fluorite. Oh my gosh. So if you guys don't know, I handpick all of these. They're all handpicked by me. My suppliers know my taste. They know exactly what I'm looking for. So that's why I'm able to get such amazing pieces like this. That is a beautiful piece of fluorite. And another piece of fluorite that I got some Fluorite Cubes. And I love cubes, you guys. I think they're so cool. You can stack them. So this one is mostly green, but super gorgeous, really, really gemmy. So let me show you guys what this one looks like up close. Look at the patterning on that. That literally looks like the ocean, right? And then it's just super, super gemmy, pretty much on every side of this cube. I mean, the depth of color on this is insane. I'm pretty sure there's rainbows. Oh yeah, there's some little rainbows, but every angle of this thing is so beautiful. So just a, woo, look at that flash right there. Super gorgeous piece. Love this one. And my supplier has come across some super high grade rainbow fluorite, so I'm really excited to show you this tower. I only have a few of these, but let me show you how gorgeous this rainbow fluorite is, because I have never seen rainbow fluorite quite as gorgeous. The colors are super dark and gemmy, but there are some insane rainbows. So let me show you guys up close so you can see what I'm talking about. I believe we got rainbow number 1 right there. And then look at the patterning on this. I'm trying to get it so you can see it. Really gorgeous color. It's just covered in rainbows, you guys. I always like to light the fluorite up from behind just so you can see how gorgeous it is. But oh my gosh, you can see the rainbow right there, that huge rainbow. I know I said I was gonna be getting some more moon bowls, so I did. A lot of the ones I got the first round I ended up keeping because they're so gorgeous, but I got a giant rose quartz moon bowl and I'm so excited to show you guys. Look at how big this one is. It's like a phone. This is definitely one of the biggest moon bowls that I have ever had, and it's super gemmy and super gorgeous. So let me show you guys what it looks like up close. But look at that gorgeous dark pink color. I mean, it's so gemmy and it's super translucent too. So this is a really high quality rose quartz. There's some gorgeous yellowing here and I think that's really beautiful. And the back is super, super gorgeous. Big pink bowl that I love. And I have another moss agate piece that I should have shown with the moss agate cube, but this one is in its own league because it's so gorgeous. So I have this gorgeous moss agate skull with so many colors on it. It's super beautiful and it's one of the bigger ones. So let me show you guys what this looks like up close. So look at that. There's some purple coloring right there, some yellow, some blue, just so much color on it. And then look at the face. Like, how cool is that? There's the purple and yellow and green. Get all this patterning on the back. But this is a very, very colorful moss agate skull. Almost looks like ocean jasper, but it is actually moss agate. But just super gorgeous coloring all the way around. Really, really cool carving. Okay guys, so that was everything for this week's supplier haul. So like I said, if you are a patron of mine, you get early access to all of these crystals on Patreon. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's crystal supplier haul. And if you've made it all the way through, leave me a crystal ball emoji down in the comment section. So thank you guys so much for joining me this week. And please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more crystal content. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! And before I go, a special thank you to all of my patrons. If you are interested in joining my Patreon, I will leave a link in the description box down below. This Patreon is a great way to support my channel, and if you are looking for additional business advice, I offer this as well. So I look forward to seeing you on my Patreon. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.